Ace Hardware ranks first in customer satisfaction among home improvement retailers in most years since 2007, according to the J.D. Power annual study. Menards secured that ranking in 2018. Neither of those facts is what a contractor needs to know before deciding where to buy supplies. What a contractor needs to know is that a significant percentage of Ace Hardware store owners will give them a 5 to 15% discount on their entire order just for asking, and that this discount is almost never advertised, is not consistent across locations, and is not something the Ace corporate entity mandates or promotes. And Menards, despite having the lowest average prices of any big box retailer in the Midwest, cannot offer that discount at all. The best price at Menards is the price on the shelf. The best price at Ace depends on whether you walked in as a contractor and said so. That ranking is earned through the cooperative model that makes Ace structurally different from every other home improvement retailer in America. Ace Hardware is not a chain in the traditional sense. It is a retailer-owned cooperative. Each of the 5,300-plus stores is independently owned and operated by an individual owner who is also a shareholder in the Ace Cooperative itself. That owner decides what products to stock, what services to offer, what hours to keep, and what discounts to extend to specific customer categories. Corporate Ace sets the brand standards, negotiates the buying contracts that give individual stores their pricing power, and runs the national advertising. Individual store owners set the relationship terms. The contractor discount is a relationship term, and the owner of a local Ace has a direct financial incentive to extend it that no Menards store manager has. To understand the contractor discount that Ace does not advertise, you have to understand what motivates an independent store owner versus a manager at a privately owned chain. A Menards store manager's job is to execute Menards' institutional operating model. The pricing is set by the company's 14% markup cap. The rebate structure is set by the company. The product mix is set by the company. There is no mechanism through which a Menards store manager can offer a residential electrician or a small general contractor 15% off their supply order, because the pricing authority in Menards flows from the company's institutional cap, not from the individual store's management. Menards' pricing advantage is automatic. It applies to everyone, and it cannot be extended beyond what the institutional cap already produces. An Ace Hardware store owner is a different kind of decision maker. They own the store. The profit from every transaction stays in their community and on their balance sheet. A residential contractor who buys supplies from that Ace once a month is worth more to that owner than the margin on a single transaction. They are worth the compounding value of a professional customer relationship across months and years of repeat purchasing. An owner who extends a 10% contractor discount to a licensed electrician is not losing 10% of a transaction. They are buying a customer relationship that generates 10 times the value of that discount over a year of monthly supply runs. Consumer surveys in the Twin Cities market specifically documented that independent hardware stores, including Ace and True Value locations, offer 5 to 15% contractor discounts merely by asking, while the big chains including Menards do not. Here is where the story stops being about rankings and starts being about money. The gap between the two models becomes visible when you run the same transaction through both stores. A residential electrician buying $200 worth of Romex wire, outlets, switches, and junction boxes at Menards pays whatever the 14% cap produces. No negotiation, no relationship required. Same price as every other customer who walked in that day. The same electrician walking into a local Ace, handing the owner a business card, and asking whether the store offers contractor pricing has a documented probability of walking out having paid 10 to 15% less than the sticker price on that same $200 order. On a $10,000 rough-in job, that difference is $1,000 to $1,500. The Menards advantage is real and automatic. The Ace advantage requires one conversation. The contractors who are running the math on both are the ones keeping the most money at the end of the year. An estimated 65% of Ace Hardware stores offer some form of price matching, with policies varying significantly between locations. The variation is not a weakness of the cooperative model. It is the model functioning as designed. A local Ace in a market with heavy contractor traffic and strong Menards competition may offer aggressive contractor discounts and broad price matching specifically because the competitive pressure in that market demands it. A local Ace in a market with no Menards and limited big box competition may offer more modest discounts because the pricing pressure is lower. The discount you receive at Ace depends on which Ace, in which market, from which owner. The discount you receive at Menards is the same everywhere. Whatever the 14% cap produces, applied uniformly to every customer who walks through the door. Ace also generated $10 billion in system-wide sales in fiscal 2025, record revenue from over 5,300 stores. 75% of the U.S. population is within 15 minutes of an Ace location. Menards has 341 stores in 15 Midwest states. The geographic overlap between Menards and Ace is significant in the Midwest but limited elsewhere. A contractor in Wisconsin, Illinois, or Minnesota who has both a Menards and a local Ace within driving distance has a specific decision to make on every supply run. Menards for the automatic structural price advantage on commodity supplies, or Ace for the relationship-based discount that requires asking but may produce a larger savings on the specific job's material list. The practical buying framework for a contractor who has access to both stores involves 2 steps before any purchase. At Menards, add the product to the cart and check whether the final price reflects a below-map discount on branded items. If the Menards price is already at the 14% cap, that is the floor, and nothing further is available. At Ace, introduce yourself as a contractor. Ask whether the store offers a contractor account or contractor discount, and apply the discount to the full order if it is available. The Menards price is automatic and guaranteed. The Ace price requires the question but may be lower than Menards on the specific items in that transaction, particularly if the Ace owner is motivated to lock in the relationship. The detail that closes this story is the consolidation reshaping the cooperative hardware world. True Value filed for Chapter 11. Bankruptcy in October of 2024 and was subsequently acquired by Do It Best, a competing hardware cooperative. The combined Do It Best plus former True Value network now represents over 4,000 independent hardware store members, a significant concentration of locally owned stores with the same cooperative buying power that Ace has used to compete against big box pricing for a century. As that combined network grows its buying power, the contractor discounts available at independent hardware stores in markets that Menards does not serve are likely to become more competitive, not less. The secret Ace does not advertise is becoming more valuable at the same moment that the cooperative hardware world is consolidating around it. If this changed how you approach the next supply run and what you say when you walk through the door, subscribe. The discount that is not on the sign is almost always more valuable than the one that is, and the stores worth knowing how to shop are the ones that reward the customer who knows to ask.